The TxDOT Maintenance Division uses an in-house comprehensive pavement management system called Pavement Analyst. This system uses traffic, location, and distress levels to decide where road work and rehabilitation is needed. Working with the Center for Transportation Research, TxDOT developed models to predict a road's skid number over time, helping improve safety and prioritizing decisions on road maintenance around the state.
So district engineers every year they have to develop the so-called 4-year plan. The 4-year plan is what the different districts believe they need to either maintain or rehabilitate in the next 4 years. Traditionally, these decisions are made based on the so-called pavement performance indicators, such as the amount of pavement cracking or the depth of pavement rutting or the riding quality.
The current system, similar to many other systems, if not all, they basically focus on pavement conditions. Skid resistance also is crucial to safety. It's not directly considered in the optimization tool itself. We see the gap there. We want to fill in that gap. So basically, to do so, we'll need reliable performance models for us to predict what skid resistance would change over time. And based on that, we can make recommendations on what we need to do to improve it.
Recently, there is more emphasis on safety. And this is what originated this payment. So there is no way, or there was no way, to be able to predict how the friction of the surface of the pavement will evolve with time. So what this project did, we went back, we looked for the past 12 years of friction data, and we used this information, which is actual field information, and that is what makes this project very unique. We use actual information collected in Texas network. This system allows and supports the district engineers to make maintenance and rehabilitation decisions. These rehabilitation decisions could be very subjective. So this system allows them to make optimal decisions because they combine engineering principle and economics, so the selection of the payments to be maintained or rehabilitated are done so the tax dollars are invested in the best possible way.
I think this is a great research project. It provides us the key piece for the network level friction management. So by predicting the future's performance for pavements, we actually can proactively identify and address problems before it happens, really resulting in a crash or a near crash.
As a result, if TxDOT decides and goes ahead and make the decision to implement the findings of these two projects, we could be in a very unique position to develop the most reliable friction management system and apply to Texas network. And as a result, we could have one of the safest networks in the entire country.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.